Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find community alerts window on your Reddit app. We will go to find this window or know how we can do that. We will just go up here in this picture or this is image. We will click here and this window show for us like you say. Then we just click here on settings. Then we come to settings window here and this window. Then we just click here on account settings for you. Then we come to account settings here in this window. Then we just go down. Then we click here on manage notifications. Then we come to a notifications window here and we just go down. Then we click here on communities here. Then we come to community alerts. And here you can control your sounds here or control your notification sounds. So that's all now this window. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.